Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin D sachet. First, always confirm your specific dosage with your doctor to ensure safe and effective use. Before you begin, take a moment to check the expiration date on the sachet. Next, prepare a glass with about 100 to 150 milliliters of water or milk, which will be used for mixing. This initial step ensures you are ready for proper preparation. Now, let's mix your sachet. Carefully tear or cut open the sachet, being mindful not to spill any of the powder. Gently pour the entire contents of the sachet into the glass of water or milk you prepared. It's important to get all the powder out. Then, stir the mixture thoroughly with a spoon for about 30 seconds until the powder is completely dissolved and no lumps remain. This ensures you receive the full dose. For optimal absorption, timing is key. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, so it's best to consume your sachet with a meal that contains some dietary fat. This significantly enhances its absorption into your body. Try to take your vitamin D sachet at the same time each day or week, as prescribed, to maintain consistent levels. Remember, always adhere strictly to your doctor's recommended dosage and frequency for your health. Proper storage and safety are crucial for your vitamin D sachets. Always store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain their efficacy. It is very important to keep all medications, including these sachets, out of the reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. If you have any questions or experience unusual symptoms, please consult your healthcare professional immediately for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.